Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up data in Excel Full Guide. Start by organizing columns with clear headers, set data types, and remove duplicates before analysis. Then validate entries using simple filters and conditional formatting to catch errors. I'll show how to use tables, named ranges, and data validation to keep sheets consistent and tidy for reliable formulas and charts. You will finish with a clean dataset, ready for reporting and pivot tables. Organize and clean data to prevent errors before analysis. Remove blanks, standardize number formats, and trim spaces to avoid mismatches. I demonstrate quick techniques using trim, value, and text functions, plus find and replace for batch fixes. We'll also cover converting text to numbers, fixing dates, and normalizing case so formulas and pivots return accurate results each time. These steps save time and reduce frustrating rework when sharing files with others. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. I keep a copy of the book I mentioned, Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs nicely with budgeting examples here. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Turn ranges into Excel tables to gain automatic filtering, structured references, and dynamic ranges. I'll walk through creating named ranges, applying data validation lists, and locking headers for clear navigation. Learn how to freeze panes, set custom sort orders, and build simple pivot tables to summarize by category. By the end, you'll have a reusable workbook layout that streamlines reporting and prevents common formula errors. This approach makes collaboration smoother and reduces time spent fixing broken links or ranges.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.